Hello everyone, welcome to the programming world.
This is Stochastic Divergence robot. I explain it in this video. I made it because this viewer says a powerful scalp technique, and let's check that on programming. And how about stochastic divergence? This program based on four conditions. I show it here when it runs, so I can explain easily coding. You can see this has price trend. I check the price trend and stochastic k value and d value confirmation, divergence confirmation, trend line confirmation. If these four conditions satisfied, we open a position. That's the strategy for this EA. And let's check one by one how we code these conditions. And you can see here I set a five labels, one for price details and K and D value details, divergence details, trend line details and position details. And after I explain the coding, I attach here command button also, and how we get a command button for this programming. You can learn about command button also in this video. Right. For check the price trend, we analyze three candles. That means current forming candle and previous two candles. So we check the current candle bid value and ask value, and previous candle close value, and before that the candle close value. So I explain it in here. This candle close value get for the variable, and this candle close value get for the variable, and this is forming candle. So I check the close value higher than other close value and bid value higher than for that. That means three bullish candles, and same as the sell side, three bearish candle. I check it, the close value of the candle and close value of the another candle and forming ask value. If this is lower than this close value and ask value lower than that value, that means three bearish candles. If three bearish candles satisfy, price trend is sell. These type bullish three candles satisfied, that means price trend is buy. That's the check the price trend. And stochastic K value and D value check. If D value lower than the K value, D value is lower than K value, that means buy trend. D value is for this green line, brown line and blue line set for the K value. D value is lower than K value mean is a buy trend, and D value is higher than the K value mean is a sell trend. And I explained about this indicator also. This has three properties. One is the K length, that means we call initially it's set for 14, it's better 14, and we can change it by we get this length period as input. So by the program we can set it different value and check what is the suitable properties for that. And K is smoothing, D is smoothing. I set it 14, 3 and 3. And this indicator has like RSI, 80 is the higher line and 20 is the lower line, oversold and overbought like RSI. And so first we check the price trend and check the K value and D value, and third we check the divergence. How we check the divergence in this indicator? Here there is a stochastic divergence. Here K value is 98.72 and here K value is 93.77. That means K value is decreasing, but the price at that moment price is 3025.35, and here K value decrease but price increase, price go higher. That means a divergence. So there is divergence for sell. Sto value decrease, meantime price value increase. And buy position, there should be a stochastic value increase and price value decrease. I call this SDV superbot. I name it SDV superbot, and this include trade.mqh support, and this is the inputs we want for magic number and auto trade true false bool variable, position modify true false bool variable, trend line support true or false by bool variable. And for indicator settings, time frame, normal time frame, and stop period, that means for K value initially it set for 14, and other settings set for 3 and 3, it's not get as inputs. And this is for divergence sensor, that means how much candles we check for the divergence. I set it 3, it can be changed. And another time frame for low time frame for stop loss and ATR indicator, use this low time frame. And position details, lot size, how much signal we open for a signal, how much position we open is set for 2, and SL candles, TP candles, SL hunting start from 4 candles, and stop loss place with 1.5 candles, SL hunt run with 3 candle difference. That's the inputs we want from user before the run this robot. You have to set these inputs correctly. And global variable MQL tick, name as C tick, and 3 double arrays for K value, buffer K value, buffer D value, and ATR buffer values. If you are a beginner, watch previous videos how to set get an indicator for this coding and all others explained in previous videos. If you see that videos, if you know about these indicators, so for indicator we want buffer values and handle values, and I set global variable handle store value and handle ATR value. It's int variable, integer, and 2 integer for count buy orders and sell orders. Bool variable for posicome reset, that means comment about the position details, it true and false. Position details, we want to reset the position details, we can set it true by program. And date and time for positions, posicome time, and string posicome. No new details about position. Initially it showing this comment for the posicome, position comment. And indicators, we want stomax, stomin, price max, price min, sto2 max, sto2 min, price 2 max, price 2 min. Is all are double variable. And integer variable, price count up, price count down, price 2 count up and price 2 count down. And date and time variable, SDV runtime, SDV signal time. And integer, another integer for SDV trend, and string for SDV comment, divergence comment, not divergence detected. For trend line, global variable, I want 6 global variable in double. Trend line high value 1, high value 2, high value 3, and low 1, low 2, low 3. And for this 6 variable we want time also, high line 1 time, high line 2 time, high line 3, high line, low line 1, low line 2, low line 3. I name as that names for this time variables. And another time variable for line row time, 2 integer for high number and low number, string trend line comment. Details about trend lines. For that, introduce a string variable here. And ctrade call as trade, ctrade name change for trade, and on it, that means the starting time of the expert advisor. On it, initially it run these scores. First it get that our indicators handle, historic handle, it type as here I stochastic, is the symbol name, that means our trading name, EUR USD, or that I set it null. Null mean this running chart name get here, and in time frame, normal time frame as the time frame, and stop period, that means 14, and other settings are 3 and 3. This means the D value and K value 3 and 3, other two settings, and mode EMA is to low high. If handle is to invalid handle is to wrong, return init fail. And same as handle ATR, get ATR details with low time frame for 500 candles, and handle invalid, return. And array set as series, buffer K value, buffer D array, and buffer ATR array. And trade dot set expert magic number, int magic number set for the expert. And here this is the our label objects. First, price label get x distance 700 and y distance 15. That means the where this label shown, this label show with x distance 700, that means the corner of our trading panel. So it's not set at the suitable position for you. You can change these numbers and get it correct positions, correct place. For correct place you can change these values. And my desktop, it's better 715, that means not hide it, and it show in correct place. Is the price label. First label box is price label, and second label is sto label. Sto label in y distance 45, x distance same, so it's below the second label show. Initial is show the price trend show here, and here historic K and D trend show here. Next, divergence label. About divergence details, SDV trend show here is for y distance 75, below that the sto label. And next, with y distance 105, trend line label, and below that position label. In this video I show how these labels are shown in our MT5 platform. That label box coding is here, so it's 5 label box get for the software, and return init succeed. D init indicator release, handle static not invalid, indicator release, ATR not invalid, indicator release. Right, void on trick. In our tick time, this is the coding, analyzing coding. First we have to get tick value. If symbol info tick is not get for C tick, fail to get current tick and return. If it succeed, that means for C tick get details, it's go down, do other things. And get ATR value. ATR values handle values copy to buffer 001 for buffer ATR. That means one ATR value copy for this buffer. Values ATR is not equal to 1. That means ATR value is not copied, then return. If it equal to 1, then it get for candle value variable. Double candle value is normalized value with buffer ATR 0. That means 500 candle average value copy for candle value. And here stock values, stock K value get by 003. That handle 003 mean the K values copy to buffer K, and 103 mean D value copy for the buffer D, and it get for analyzing. After price analyzing, it is to analyzing, we get this buffer K values and buffer D values. This is the price analyzing. You already know how to analyze the price. I explained it previous. First we get ask value and bid value from ctick.ask, ctick.bid, and normalize that values, and we set int variable as price trend. Price trend is -1. -1 means no buy trend or no sell trend, and get a string for price krame show price not trend, and first price label show that price not trend krame with black color. If close price of the candle 1 is bigger than close price of the candle 2, that means previous candle close value is less than after the candle close value, that means 2 bullish candles, and current candle value, that means bid value is bigger than candle 1 close value, that means 3 bullish candles, 3 green candles in the chart. So we set price trend is 0, price krame is price buy trend, and show it in the label. The label box change with yellow green color, price buy trend, and same as for sell side, close value is lower than previous close value, and ask value is also lower than candle 1 close value, that means 3 red candles. Then price trend is 1, price krame, price sell trend, and show it in label box. Right. Next we check stochastic divergence. How we check the divergence? This is same as RSI divergence, my previous video. Same codes, only change is the not RSI high. This is stock max and stock min, and price max, price min, price count up. All variables as same as RSI divergence type. So let's me explain these codes how it working. For the divergence, first we check the time current time minus SDV runtime is greater than time frame value convert to seconds, period seconds in time frame minus 1. That means time frame is 5 minutes, it convert to second, that is 300. 300 minus 1 mean 299. This difference is greater than 299 means new candle is formed, new 5-minute candle is formed. Then this program run. Initially SDV runtime is 0, so initially this program run and SDV runtime equal to current time. For next tick, this divergence is not running because this difference is not greater than 299. Only one time this program run for one candle. Until next candle complete, this program is not run. This difference is greater than when next candle is completed, then again this run. So for that, this condition is typed there, and we take the time and run the program, and in the program we get candle high value and candle low value. Buffer K value is greater than 20, we check the bearish divergence, and buffer K value is less than 80, then we check the bullish divergence. For check the divergence, first we get buffer K value is greater than Stochastic max value. That means Stochastic max value is save some, this is global variable, so this save Stochastic value, and if it exceed the buffer K value, that means K value is increasing, then it save to Stochastic max value, and that time we save the price max value, that means candle high value, and other 0. Then we check if Sto value is decreasing and price value is increasing. So in here I explain it. There is a divergence. Sto value is decreasing. Meantime, price value is increasing. So we run the program. Stochastic max value is save this 95.19, and it save the candle high value, and then Stochastic value is decreasing but price value is increasing. So here Stochastic max value is greater than current buffer value, that means K value is decreasing, and price value is less than candle high, that means candle value is increasing. So we set price count up plus plus, that means we get numbers for price count up. It equal to first time it equal to 1, and next candle also divergence, this equal to 2. That's the RDV sensor. If this price count up value get 3, that means 3 candles divergence. So here price count up is greater than or equal to imp Sto dv sensor value. It exceed the sensor value, then we set bearish divergence detected, and divergence trend is 1, that means we can get sell orders. Trend is sell. SDV may change like that. And if the k value is also again increased than this saved max value, then again this condition running and it saved to stock a max value and others get 0. Find price count up also 0, and again save the price value and check the stock value is decreasing and price value get increased. Same situation for the bullish divergence. We check stock min value, and if stock min value is not get down again, that means stock value is increasing but price value get decreased, then we set the bullish divergence. It checked by price count down variable. Price count down get 3, that means 3 candle divergence. So here first time stock a max value save this 94 95 115 96 15 value, and that candle high value save to price max, and then for next candle stock value is decreasing. Next candle stock value is decreasing. Decreasing means not exceed that maximum value, and stock value is get down but price value candle high value is increasing. So price count up get 1 here, then 2 here, then 3 here, and here label show the SDV trend is sell. Bearish divergence detected, and if others get okay, we can open a position, right? So there is the code for the check the divergence, and if buffer k value is less than 20, then we zero the price count of values. If buffer k value get higher than 80, that means we stop the check for bullish divergence. This value gets 0, it initializes. And here there is the codes for show that the signal in label and SDV trend variable get 1 or 1 for the sell, 0 for the buy. If we have get a divergence and that divergence signal is disappear, that means it get initialized, but we check another 2 candles forward if this divergence is working, because sometimes we get the divergence but it will not work in next candles. After few times that divergence get resolved, so we have to keep this signal for some candles after this is working or not. Next we check K and D checker. For that we get a int variable for show the trend and string variable for show the comment. for label, and when k value is less than or equal to 80, we check buffer k value is greater than buffer d value, and buffer k value is greater than previous candle k value, and d value is greater than previous candle d value. Previous candle k value is greater than before candle is k value. That means we check for 3 candles for k values. If this condition, all condition happen, previous candle k value should be increased than previous candle d value. If this all condition happens, trend is 0. That means we can get buy position. K and D buy confirm. For get K and D confirm, these all conditions should be satisfied. And same as for sell side, K value is above the 20, we check forming candle K value should be less than forming candle D value, and forming candle K value should be below previous candle K value, and D value also same as, and before candle also should be that type. These all condition happen, then trend is 1. That means sell position confirm, and it show in the label also in red color, right? Then the code for the trend line analyzer. How we get trend line for this chart?